The Xiaomi Mi 8 is a great device, but it's getting a little bit long in the tooth, and rumors have started to come out about the new and upcoming Xiaomi Mi 9. So today, we're going to talk about it. Hey, my name is Mitchell. If you're new to my channel, I make videos about the tech I use. And before we begin, I'd like to thank everyone that uses my affiliate links in the description down below. It helps support my channel, and it helps me continue to buy more products to review for you guys. Also, if you're on Telegram, you should go ahead and join my Telegram community, join the conversation. So I've read a few different articles in regards to the leaks on the Mi 9, and I'll have them linked down below. But it looks like we're going to be getting a triple camera setup on the rear. I think it's going to be really interesting if Xiaomi goes for a 3 focal length design, giving us an ultra wide angle, normal, and then telephoto field of view. I think that'd be really, really interesting as opposed to like a low light mode or a depth sensing camera for portrait shots. In regards to the triple lens camera, I'm obviously a little bit skeptical of what Xiaomi is going to choose, and I think they will probably end up going with the depth sense. What do you think that they are going to choose for the 3 cameras on the back of the Mi 9? Let me know in the comment section down below. Next, we have 2 different Mi 9s that are coming. It's been leaked on line that the one that the Xiaomi employee is using that was featured on Weibo. That one did not have a fingerprint sensor on the back, but we have seen engineering test samples or engineering like kind of prototypes of the device leaked online as well, and those do show a rear mounted fingerprint. So it's going to be interesting to see what Xiaomi does in regards to are they going to give us a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner or an in-display fingerprint scanner, or are they going to launch with a Mi 9 Pro or a Mi 9 Explorer edition next to a regular Mi 9? Are they going to kind of try to copy Huawei's formula? Is the Mi 9 Explorer edition going to be fundamentally different than the Mi 9 standard? Because if they're going to give us an in-display fingerprint scanner and a smaller battery, kind of how the Mi 8 Explorer edition or the Mi 8 Pro had the smaller capacity battery and the in-display fingerprint scanner, then I would still take the regular one and use the fingerprint scanner on the back. What would you prefer? Let me know in the comment section down below. Next, the phone's going to be at least 6 inches, probably closer to 6.5 inches, which I think is a good size for phones, or at least in the direction that phones are going to just increasingly get bigger. And I'm actually going to do a video about the Mi Max 4 and some of the specifications that are linked online. When that video is up, I will link it up here. In regards to size-wise, we're only going to see phones continue to get bigger. In the past, Xiaomi, the Mi series of phones was like their mid-size device. With the Mi 8, that got much larger. What do you guys want to see? Do you want to see a bigger Mi flagship, or do you want something smaller? Also, because it looks like Xiaomi is going to be going with a in-display fingerprint scanner for at least one of the models, we know that they're going to be bringing the OLED screens to the Mi lineup, or at least it seems like that. And with the power efficiency and the differences that we've seen in battery life between the Mi Mix 2S and the Mi Mix 3, based pretty much solely on the fact that the only hardware difference is a OLED versus LCD display, and I think that them making this switch is going to give users hopefully better battery life, and I really hope they're going to keep the battery capacity at least at 3,300 milliamp hours. It's obviously going to be powered by the next generation Snapdragon, the 855 chipset. Whether or not it will support 5G from the start is something that remains to be seen. Maybe 5G support and an in-display fingerprint scanner for the Mi 9 Explorer edition. Would that be enough to justify a different model and a higher price? Let me know. And that kind of wraps it up. Obviously, we're going to see USB Type-C again. We're most likely going to see a glass sandwich design. Do you think that Xiaomi will bring wireless charging to the Mi series of phones? It's already available on the Mi Mix series, so I could see Xiaomi doing a ceramic back, Would you take a higher price for wireless charging? Personally, me, no. I would rather save the extra money and use Quick Charge 4.0, which it'll probably come equipped with anyway. And as it is, the Mi series has always had pretty decent battery life. So having the Qi wireless charging isn't that big of a concern to me. Okay, the Xiaomi Mi 9. Is that something that you are excited about? Is it something that you're thinking about buying? Are you waiting for the Pocophone F2? Should I do a video about the Pocophone F2? And whatever rumors we have on it, let me know in the description down below. If you want to support my channel, go ahead and use my affiliate links. If you want to join my Telegram group and join the conversation here, that is awesome. And I'll have a link to the Telegram community as well in the description down below. Okay, till next time, it's been Mitchell coming to you from Hanoi. And for all of those that celebrate the Lunar New Year, Chuk Mung Nam Moi. Hua Bang.